So maybe communicate with GLE to see if they have an internal rule, which kind of things can go to voucher or something, or there is any offline rules to get approval or something.
Because we actually for the actual life we need the supporting, right? But so there's doing the paperwork is assuming they fill in the forms and then approved by the upline, and then so but on the system then who just said who will enter the data in the system. So in the practice of Beijing, they ask the secretary also type
the voucher
for data for themselves.
Partner.
Yeah. Same. Okay. So they have to do this. So I think it's to be done. If everything is be done by finance, then will be more complicated and.
Yeah, and also I don't think you need to. Also, I can demo how to amend the voucher request, maybe from the direct jail to the link to the matter. But I think by this staging, you don't necessary to understand it because because it will be done by the lawyer or secretary. So I think we can leave it here and we can just continue for the other process. Yeah.
So the voucher maintenance. So I should go to the voucher maintenance because when they submit here, when I will see the voucher request in the voucher maintenance.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm here. So what can I find those things? Search or
what do you want?
Say if the secretary submit all the voucher requests, they will ask for payment. Okay. So where will I see the of this submission of this request? It will be in the voucher maintenance or. So I'm the finance guy, right? So when they do it and when they submit these things, okay, submit the voucher request and they type everything. Say if they okay, somebody they type everything inside here and then they submit.
Yeah, and also sorry, I will let you show. There have some documents we provided to 今天 before. That is training. So you could sorry, that is related to all the Chinese characters, but I think at least you can see it as reference. So let me show you here. That is just now how to do the workflow, right? This is how to input something and also submit, and also that is I made some comments here, and also they need to something, but I'm not sure that maybe it's offline. And this is the screen of you, right? And you can open it, click approve or reject, and if the reject, you have to input this description, yeah. And after that, you will to submit it. So and also you could see the GL. Yeah. So I think I will give the document to you as reference.
Okay. The question is when the secretary submit all the voucher requests, it was supposed to me, right? I will receive all the voucher requests.
Yeah.
Because at the moment I think in the system I'm not designed to receive all the things because it's not just set up in this UAT. So there's nothing inside because I think for the suppose I will open this voucher maintenance, I will see all the things. Right,
yeah,
all the voucher.
Right.
So there's nothing here because I'm not. The setting
you
is
can
not.
choose one.
So I will choose another proxy user, right?
Yeah. No, sorry. You just go to voucher maintenance.
Voucher maintenance.
In the up left corner, you
proxy?
Yeah, sorry, no. You can't open so many process. That will cause some problem. So everything when you open the process, it will pending here. You see you have opened the two of voucher maintenance. So you just click and open the previous one, and to see there is all the things here. Do you understand what I mean?
No.
Okay.
Can I close it again?
No, sorry, what I mean is, there have some things that is, if you click cancel, yeah, that means the process would be closed. Yeah, but if you just click the 3E, that means the voucher maintenance is not be closed. That is pending in your action list, right? So if you want to open it again, you don't need to go to there to double click to open another one. You need to go there to open the previous one until you see you will not use it. You will cancel. The cancel means that is close the process. You see there, there have two before and there only have one.
Yes.
And you can also open it. That is open the first time. Yeah, you can choose which one you want.
Okay. Right. Where you entered in the search, then they will show all the things. Here.
Here.
Just enter.
Yeah, just enter.
Oh, I see. Just enter. I will see the. Okay, so that is all the secretary or the fairness, the timekeeper sent the voucher maintenance we will see here.
Yeah.
So I have to check each of them and then click the approve or reject.
No.
No.
That is all the voucher message here. That is not for the approval or reject. What you should do is you go to the voucher. So that is maybe you are not the rules to approve the voucher. So you have to ask Zhonghua to check the rule for you, because you have to approve the voucher in Hong Kong office, right? Yeah, and until now, you can't see it, and you can proceed to Dong Jiaoyi to get something approval, but everything need to be approved or reject. It's in 报销流程。
哦，报销流程都是在报销流程里面做。Okay.
Because that is a workflow, right?
Okay, let's say I'm now in the 报销流程, so I'm set a proxy user as Dong Jiaoyi.
Yeah.
To pretend as her.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, I can see that there is a 15 voucher approval. Then I click inside, and then see, and then I will check it one by one, right? So say if I want to see this one, I want to check this one, so I check it, and then click it open. Oh, okay, checking open. Okay, if I found this is wrong, then I will reject it. If then they will submit once again. Okay. If this is correct, and I approve, right?
Yeah.
Approve.
Yeah.
Okay, but after I approve, where can I find this voucher again?
Voucher maintenance.
Voucher maintenance. I will see this again.
Yeah.
So that at that time I will prepare the payment.
Yeah.
Okay. So approve. So this one. Open. Okay, for this expense GL and APGL, so it is a suppose APGL is a control account and contains all the expense account, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it is found is for my
Yeah, for my previous request, you need to don't go to GL account. You need to limit it to matter, right?
no, if it is charged to matter, it will go to the another may not be we call it AP is AP for disbursement AR.
Yeah.
Because we will collect from client to set off with this payment because this is on behalf of client.
Yep. So that is the things you need to wait for the macros configuration because I think we have understand that is the GL nature that is not AP, that is maybe disbursement AR or something.
I think it is AR. It is AR. When we enter this payment, it's not yet AR because when we issue a bill to client, it's AR.
But how
So
about
it is unrealized AR.
But how about
No problem. It can.
no. So that is how about if the cost over the voucher